Hello, it's Jake here, and today I've just had a parcel arrive. There you go. This is for my classic Fiat 500, which is going to a show in 3 days, 2 days, 3 days if you count today. But I've been waiting for these. I was going to order them a while back. The only reason I didn't was because we had a lot of trouble with the 500. I had to do a lot of work. I'll fill you in all on the details in a minute. But yeah, I'm going to a show, Gloucester Retro. I'll put a link in the description to their Facebook page. Check it out. It's going to be an excellent show. It's meant to stay nice and bright outside, nice and sunny. So that is absolutely fantastic because I don't like taking my classic car out in the wet anyway. I'm really looking forward to the show, and I'm really looking forward to show you these new parts. I'm going to put it on the car in this video. So yeah, let's get started. Now we're in the Fiat 500, my good old faithful classic. So what have I bought in the box? Wow, I've just opened it up and had a look at one. Let me just sort out. There we go. Brand new shiny mirrors. So the reason I'm replacing them, mine are very old from the original car from 1970. They've got very corroded, and I thought the car deserves a new piece. They got this little flag on the top here. Now that is a sticker and that will come off. I don't need them on this one. That's too Barthy, if you know what I mean. And yeah, I'm going to remove them. But brand new mirrors. I got another one in there, brand new. And I'm guessing they just Allen key up. So I will get some Loctite on them, I think. Keep it all nice and tight. We've got some rubbers here as well. That's good. I don't think these have any rubbers on, the old ones. But anyway, let's crack on. So I'm going to leave the camera playing whilst I find out what I'm doing here. I'll find the Allen key as well. I just had an Allen key on me. I bet he left it on the bench. I did. Let me move that box. It's always nice buying new parts for a car, putting them on, and because the Fiat 500 is so simple, it's literally no problem. It's funny, you start filming, you live on a very quiet road, no cars gone by all day. As soon as I start filming, that's 4 gone by. Bit annoying. Right. It looks like these things weren't tight to begin with. So I'm guessing these gotta come fully out. This is the first time doing this for me, so you know, you learn. So what happened with Yugo? Well, Yugo is the 500 if you don't know. That is the name of my Fiat 500. So I was driving it a couple of months ago now, and it just conked out on me. It was like there was no throttle on. I thought, oh no, and I got stuck in Newnham for 4 hours. And in those 4 hours we learnt that there was quite a few things wrong with the engine, quite a few problems that needed sorting. I'm just going to go outside the car so I can hold it better. So yeah, we found out that basically I needed new spark plugs. That was the first problem. So I ordered some new spark plugs, put them in the car, exactly the same problem. So it was good that we replaced, the spark plugs, because I was going to do them anyway. So I replaced the spark plugs, didn't solve it. I replaced the coils, which again, something else I wanted to get done. So I got that all done. It wasn't, it's easy job to do. I would have filmed it, but it just got completely out of hand because it still didn't solve the problem. Long story short, it was down to a 40. I'm gonna get this off. There we go. So that's it. It was down to a 40 condenser. So the condenser had been replaced anyway. When we replaced the points, and the condenser still wasn't working. In fact, it worked that day for about 20 minutes and then the same problem again. I thought, oh god, typical. So we replaced some wires, nothing serious, because we thought maybe it's the electrical problem. We'd done the timing and everything, and then we thought, well, it's got to be the condenser, and we done so many different things, and basically in the end, what we figured out was, my dad went to the back of the car, put his hand on the condenser, and it worked. And he squeezed the wire and it kept working. As soon as he let go, car goes funny, starts coughing and that, not running properly. So we knew it's the condenser. So what we done? We bought 3 of them, because we was told by another person that they're very common to go 40 in old cars. Put a new condenser on it, not a problem since. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this car's going to be fine and I will get to the show no problems. So I took the old mirror off. I will have to do some editing to the video because I was talking to someone, but there we go. See what I mean? It's not the worst in the world. Now I will be cleaning these up, doing some work on them, make them look a little bit better, and I'll probably just store them, because everything off this car, the roof, I put a new roof on it and everything, I've stored, because it's the original parts off the car from when the car was made in 1970. One of the plans with this car is driving it all the way back to Verona, Italy. The car dealership it was sold at is still there, so I'd love to drive back down. So we got the mirror off. Now we've got to figure out the new one. So let's get these new rubbers out. Right, so I'm putting a new one on. I've just done some bits up. Just taking the screws out. I will have to put some Loctite on them, I think. Anyway, let's line them up to see what they look like. I'm going to have to go to the car again to do this, because it's a bit of an awkward one, because you got to hold the mirror and I don't want the mirror sliding and, you know, coming down the side of the car and damaging the car or something. You don't want that. We definitely don't want that. So it's going to be really hard to keep that rubber in place. Ooh. It's me cleaning cloth. Now I'm just gonna want to leave some dirt there so I can position it right. Move it down, move it down. There we go. I will have to obviously sort out the position of the mirrors too. Let's get them in place. That's how it looks. Just make sure they're in the same place. Ah, the rubber slipped. Great. So the rubber just slipped. I wasn't watching the rubber. I think that's in. Let me just shut the door, and what I'm going to do is basically just wind the window down, see if I can get the mirror right. They're quite stiff. Where would they be that stiff? I don't want to damn it out. There we go. I think it's where they just brand new, because that one's just gone in place absolutely perfect. Give me. There we go. Right, let me grab the camera. I need to get different camera sorted out for the road. There we go. Nice clean fit. There's the rubber I was talking about. Look, just here. It slipped out of place, but it looks like it slipped there slightly, but it's still touching this side, so I don't know, maybe I'll have to trim it back or something, but that's it, the mirror's in. Let's go and do the other side. Right, I'm going to try this view, and let's get this other mirror off. This one's a lot worse than the other side, which is the driver's side. This is the passenger mirror. So, these new mirrors come from Autobella eBay shop. I don't know if they have a website. Check that out. But I buy a lot from there. They specialise in parts for Fiat 500, so pretty much got it. But yeah, I got the show on the weekend, Saturday the 24th. This video is going to be uploaded today. So if you're in Gloucester area, head over to Gloucester Retro and you'll see my Fiat 500 Yugo. You will be on display on Southgate Street, which is good. I can't wait. There we go. Give it just a clean. Go. Oh, go get the new mirror out of the box. Nicely packaged. I want to do a shout out to Driven 24/7. Enjoying your videos at the moment, really am. It's nice to see your bath and that and all the stuff you do. I did enjoy your video on the assess, the new one, the newer bath assess in the showroom. Very nice. I do like that one actually. That's a nice car. Other people like Shmee. Everyone knows Shmee. He's brilliant. I do enjoy his videos. He's currently in America still, I think. But no, he has some good content on YouTube to watch. And some very nice cars. Stradman, of course. Love his videos. But yeah, a couple of shout outs that. I'm fairly new to, trust me to do that, fairly new to the YouTube car side of things, because I always do model railways and that. And I've been doing model railways on YouTube for a very long time, 11 years this year. And now I have my cars, new venture. I still do the model railways on the other channel, but I want to focus more on the cars, just because I have two great cars. My Abarth Comp 595 2013, which I'm going to be doing another video on soon, and of course I have this lovely 1970 Fiat 500. I'm hoping the camera's not too dark. Like I said, I need to get proper camera equipment. That's my next thing to do. It's on the to-do list. The dog, Rare, gets absolutely everywhere. Somehow it's don't even can't. You don't even come down here. There we go. Right. Just position it. So this one's a bit stiff. Not as stiff as the other though. That seems a better fit actually. So I have to sort that one out, but so just remove that sticker. It come off pretty easy. Yeah, they're nice with this sticker on, but I don't want the checkered flag on it, because I don't want people to think, oh, it's a race car, you know, when I take it to shows and that. So yeah, I wanted to remove that. I'll go and do the other side now, and we shall move on to other stuff. Okay, so the mirrors are fitted. There you go. Hello. Good reflection, so yeah, that's good. This side as well, very nice. So yeah, both mirrors. So these mirrors are from Autobella. I'll put a link to their eBay shop in the description. Check them out. If you've got a classic Fiat 500, it's probably the go-to place to get parts. There's also Moto Bambino as well, but we'll leave that for another video, and I'll put a link in the next video for that shop. But very good, very shiny, just what I needed. Let me see if I can just squeeze by. There we go. They are very nice. So I took the flags off them. They fitted quite well. I will probably just have a look at that rubber again off camera, but for now, all okay. So the next job will be the door handles. However, this one again is not too bad. It's the other side that's a lot worse. And I definitely want to get these doors done. Around the doors. Anyway, let's finish up the video. Well, there we go. I fitted the new mirrors, as you can see in the corner there. They went on really easy. I mean, it's one of the easiest cars to work on. So I explained a bit what went wrong with the engine and everything. It turned out to be a little condenser. I'm going to the show Saturday. I've got a toolkit ready just in case we have the same problem, because we're not too sure if the one we bought, what was 40, might have burnt out for some reason. So like I said, I got some extra ones. I got a toolbox in the car ready for Saturday. I'll be doing a video on all day Saturday, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, please like, please subscribe, and I shall bring you more content of my little classic Fiat 500 soon. And of course the Abarth, look at that. I do love that Abarth, so I will be doing more videos on that. Thank you all for watching. I shall see you all soon. And yeah, please like, please subscribe. Bye for now.